In this course, we're going to build an application that messages us and warns us daily of the expected pollen levels in the air. If you're like me, you may suffer from hay fever from about mid-May to mid-June each year, at least in the Northern Hemisphere. And don't worry, even if you have no allergies whatsoever, I promise that the content and patterns in this course are extremely useful no matter what type of Go application you're using. So where I live in Austria, the Medicine University of Vienna has this great site that predicts the pollen levels for the day. And with some digging and inspection of the API calls for this site, I found the endpoints that produce all the data. There are mainly two endpoints that we'll be using. The first is this get hourly load data, which has a success key and the result. Most importantly here is this hourly array. So for each hour, it'll give an expected value of the pollen in the air, ranging from 0 to, I believe, 8 or 9. The second endpoint that we'll be utilizing in this course is this get current chart data. This one we'll be using for historical averages. So as you can see here, we also have a success key, we have some results, and for each result, we have a date, the current, or in this case, what actually happened on that date this year, and then the historical average. However, it's May 16th right now, and as you can see, the current is 0, and even for yesterday, the current is 0. So this data is a little bit delayed. However, as I mentioned, we'll be using it mainly for the average values. So we'll be messaging out both the expected value for the day from this hourly data and also the historical average for the day. So with an overview and an idea of what our app is going to be, in the next lesson, we'll briefly discuss the technical requirements that we want our app to fulfill, and then we can finally start getting into writing some code.